Today, we're going to troubleshoot the error 108. Typically, you will see something like this. The plasma has ignited, maybe even pierced and moved a little bit. The error 108 means that the plasma ignited, then the arc transferred to the plate, but then went out. In most cases, this means that the plasma gas does not flow out from the torch. Example: cutting mild steel, you typically use air for pilot and shield gases and oxygen as plasma gas. If you have run out of oxygen or there is a restriction in one of the hoses, you would get a 108 error. First thing to check is your regulator in the wall or bottle. If the tank is empty or the regulator closed, continue accordingly. If the gas supply is full and open, then first check if there is any gas coming out from the DMC output. Just unscrew the hose to see if you get gas coming out from the plasma gas port. If there is gas flow from the DMC, then check the input of the DPC, remove the plasma gas hose, and see if you get gas into this point. When you know where the gas flows and where it does not, you have found the restrictive part. If you can find the issue by removing the hoses or you isolate it in the DMC or DPC, then let's start with the DMC. You can remove solenoids one by one to see where the gas flows and where it does not. Start by checking what is your plasma gas type for the process in use. Then open the solenoids one by one in order to see which one is restricting the flow. Please see a link to the DMC video in the comments below. For the DPC, first remove the proportional valve for plasma gas and see if you have flow. If there is no flow, then most likely the issue is the solenoid number 3. Please see a link to the DPC video in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.